Today, we're diving into the world of version control, and I'm going to show you the quickest way to grab code from GitHub, right from your Windows computer. First things first, let's get to our trusty command prompt. Tap the Windows key or click the Start menu icon and search for CMD. Click on the command prompt application to open it. Awesome! You've successfully launched the command prompt. Now, we need to navigate to the directory on your computer you intend to store the downloaded contents of the repository. You can use the command CD to change directories. Type CD followed by the specific folder name you want to go to, such as Documents or the folder where you store all your projects. To download the repository contents to, time to find the repository you want to clone. Go to GitHub, find the project, and click the large green code button. You'll see a bunch of options. When that pop-up opens, you'll see several ways to clone, but we want the easiest for now. Click the copy icon next to the HTTPS address. This will copy the URL to your clipboard, which is very important for the next step. Back in the command prompt, type git clone followed by the GitHub repositories URL, which you hopefully already copied. Then, press enter. And there you have it. The command prompt will spring to life, showing the download progress. After that, the repository will be downloaded to your set directory. Congratulations! You've successfully cloned a repository using the command prompt in Windows. Now you can start working on a local copy of the project.